Hey everyone, I want to tell you about a new challenge that's going on. It's my skinny jean challenge. Hate the word skinny, but you guys know we all own a pair of those jeans that we want to get in. So go to jennifernicole.com. You can do it right now on your mobile phone. Click on skinny jeans challenge and you'll be automatically taken to the skinny jean challenge. All the details are there. We start August the 1st, and you're gonna learn how to lose 10 pounds safely in 30 days. And yes, I'm gonna even show you what fat crushing foods you need to eat to keep that belly flat and that booty full. You're literally gonna be even eating more on this program than you would if you didn't. I'm gonna share with you my favorite foods like linaza, fat flushing fruits, crunchy vegetables that keep you feeling fuller longer with more natural energy, so you can get into your skinny jeans. Yay! I can't wait. I'm so excited about this challenge. So sign up and let's do this August 1st.